You can control and activate some features on your device using vocal commands. To use this feature, double tap the touch bar. You will hear, say a command after the long beep, and you will hear a confirmation chime. The device will then announce the requested information. For example,
tell time.
The time is 8:25 a.m.
The available commands are the following: reading commands, speak faster, speak slower, disable reading navigation, enable reading navigation, change auto-suspend time. Connectivity settings menu. Connect to Bluetooth audio device. Read QR code. General. Enter tutorial. Enter user menu. Change voice. Check internet connectivity. Disable auto flash. Enable auto flash. Tell battery status. Tell vocal commands. Tell date. Tell build. Tell time. Face recognition for MyEye only. Set face recognition to manual. Set face recognition to auto. Change face repetition time. Disable face recognition. Note: make sure to speak clearly so the device can recognize your vocal command. Vocal commands are currently only available when system language is English.